Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make this sunset makeup look. It's a orangey makeup look. Let's go. So first I'm gonna start with my eyes. I'm using here a liquid concealer and I'm gonna apply it all over my eye area. So I'll get a cut crease look of my brows and a perfect base for my eye makeup. Now blend it properly. Next I'm using press powder for setting my concealer. For my eye look I'm taking here mustard color. First I'm gonna apply it above my crease line and then on my crease line. After that I'm gonna use this orange shade for my crease line area and outer corner. Then I'm taking this red shimmery shade for my eyelid. Next I'm using this white shade for my brow bone. Next I'm using here BB cream all over my face. Then I'm dabbing it with help of beauty blender and setting it with press powder. For face contour, I'm using here brown concealer stick. So you can see in the video the way I'm applying it. You can learn this way to contour your face. Next, I'm using highlighter. First, I'm going to blend my highlighter. And then I'm blending my contour area. I'm using loose powder. And then I'm using bronzer. It will help me to make my face more sharp. After that, I'm removing all the loose powder from my face. Next, I'm using highlighter for my nose tip and on my cheekbones and upper lip. For completing my eye look, I'm using here black liquid eyeliner. So today I'm gonna make a wing eyeliner. I'm using orange shade on my lower line and next I'm using this dark brown shade for blending my wings. Next I'm using blush on my cheeks and nose. So for my lips I'm using here liquid matte lipstick. Now I'm using concealer. Hope you guys like my video. Do comment below how I'm looking and tata bye bye.